In the world of off-roading, getting stuck is just part of the game. So if you find yourself in a muddy situation out on the trails, the MAXTRAX Kinetic Recovery Ropes might just be your lifesaver. These ropes can be stretched 30% longer. That means you get more kinetic power compared to conventional snatch straps. With this enhanced kinetic power, your vehicle can be recovered easier and safer, even in the most challenging environments. The kinetic ropes aren't just a standalone solution. They're an integral part of the complete MAXTRAX recovery system, specifically designed and tested to work together. A crucial element of the MAXTRAX recovery system is the Fuel Shackle. It's engineered to serve as the system's weakest link. If the ropes are overloaded, the Fuel Shackle will be the point of failure, ensuring that you and your surroundings are safe. So if you're using the MAXTRAX recovery system during vehicle recovery, you'll want to use the Fuel Shackle. It ensures the whole system works the way it's supposed to. If you want to know more about the Rhino-Rack MAXTRAX Kinetic Recovery Ropes, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.